Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful trick: how to hide incoming call notifications from Messenger on your lock screen. If you've ever found it frustrating or distracting when Messenger calls pop up on your lock screen for everyone to see, this quick guide will help you keep things private and discreet. Let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to your phone's settings. Everything we need to adjust will be right here. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all the applications installed on your device are managed. From the list of apps, find and select Messenger. This will open up specific options and controls for the Messenger app. Next, choose Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune exactly how Messenger alerts show up on your device. Now tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down the different types of notifications Messenger sends, like messages, chats, and calls. Look for the option labeled Incoming Calls and tap on it. This will give you detailed settings specifically for how Messenger handles calls. Here's the most important step. Tap on Lock Screen. You'll see multiple choices about how notifications appear while your phone is locked. To disable them, select Don't Show on Lock Screen. Once you do this, any incoming call from Messenger will no longer display on your lock screen, giving you full control over your privacy. And that's it. You've successfully hidden Messenger's incoming call alerts from your lock screen. From now on, your calls will stay private, and you won't have to worry about them popping up where others can see. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you share your phone screen in public or prefer a cleaner lock screen without extra distractions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply the same approach to other apps that you want to keep private. Thanks for watching.